heads of the PSBs would be meeting with the officials of certain other departments of the government, for which you will be separately briefed after that meeting has taken place. Obviously, in the morning session, the most important item was with regard to the state of finances of the PSBs and the NPA resolutions. Now, there was a detailed presentation which was made. And in the presentation, it emerged that in FY17, the PSBs have made a stable operating profit of rupees 1.5 lakh crores. Obviously, this was subject to various provisioning requirements. And this year, after the entire provisioning has been done, there has been a net profit of 574 crores. There is a challenge with regard to credit growth, which was discussed in the meeting, and the state of resolution also came up for consideration. There are already about 81 cases that have been filed under the IBC. Of these 81 cases, 18 cases have been initiated by the financial creditors. These are already before the NCLT. And since bulk of the NPAs, about 70%, are either in a consortium or in a multiple banking arrangement, a speedy resolution for them is required. Under the new ordinance which was issued, the RBI is at a fairly advanced stage of preparing a list of those debtors where a resolution is required through the IBC process. And you will shortly be hearing about it. Even though with regard to the infrastructure available and the enforcement of those procedures which have been expedited through the amendments, some heads of the banking institutions raised certain concerns. Which are fairly satisfactory of the movement towards digitization and also the financial inclusion schemes which the banks have been pursuing. Detailed presentations with regard to those have also been made today. This is broadly the agenda which we have discussed, and I'm sure that as over the next few months, pursuant to the new ordinance, further precipitative action, effective action is taken, we will see the issue of resolution move forward. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. So, Ruchi Bhatia from ET now. I have two questions. First, on the farm loan waiver that has just been approved by the Maharashtra government. The RBI had earlier said that it destroys the credit culture in the economy. What is your own view on that, especially with respect to the state finances, because they will deteriorate?
You see, I've already made the position concerned that states which want to go in for these kind of schemes will have to generate them from their own resources. Beyond that, as the central government, I have nothing more to say.
So, anything on the consolidation of banks that was discussed?
You see, consolidation of banks was not on the agenda as far as this present meeting is concerned. But I can tell you we are actively working in that direction. I can't give you further details because some of these details are price sensitive. But you can take it that there is a movement going on in that direction.
Sir, this is Gregoria from CNBC TV18. So very clearly, as you said, that NPA resolution, a step forward by the government will soon be visible. By when can we expect some action on the? Because we've already heard you saying that there's a process, there's a list of defaulters where the cases will be taken across is already prepared. When can we see a concrete?
You will see it very soon. The RBI is actively working on it. Mr. Mudra is here.
Sir,
Mr. Mudra would like to make a comment on that.
The Honorable Finance Minister mentioned, if you look, this ordinance was essentially involving 2-3 components. One of the important components was to enhance the size and the scope of oversight committee. Also, the identification of such account which can be quickly taken up under the process. So, on the second point, an internal advisory committee is constituted by RBI. Right now, they are discussing on it. Information has been collected from the banks on certain large accounts. If some additional details are required, they are being collected. So, there is an active work which is going on, and I think soon from a question point we will
sir,
one by one. Let him ask, please.
सर जो 81 केसेस का आपने जिक्र किया है उसमें टोटल अमाउंट कितना इन्वॉल्व है, वो टोटल एनपीए का जो है वो क्या परसेंटेज का है?
देखिए, इसकी कोई डिटेल कंपाइल नहीं है क्योंकि लोग जो अप्रोप्रिएट अथॉरिटी है उसके सामने डाल देते हैं. इसमें से मैंने 81 न्यूमेरिकल केसेस हैं जिसमें से 18 केसेस ऐसे हैं जो फाइनेंशियल क्रेडिटर्स ने, बैंक या एफआईज ने डाले हैं.
सर, आपने कई मौकों पर कहा है कि जो एनपीए की प्रॉब्लम है वो 40-50 अकाउंट की लार्जली प्रॉब्लम है. इन अकाउंट जो बड़े अकाउंट हैं उसमें कब कुछ सक्सेस या सफलता या कुछ?
अभी मुद्रा साहब ने डिटेल बताई है. I don't want to speculate.
Sir, GST
Kindly focus your question on this.
Sir,
Please let him.
Sir, is there any advice from your side on how banks should look at credit growth, given that in the last 2 years, public sector banks' credit growth has been quite muted? So what was your advice in today's meeting?
You see, the banks are making their best effort through their infrastructure that is available to them to give the credit whenever asked for. But that's a part of the overall demand in the economy also. It's not related to banks alone.
सर, जीएसटी को लेकर बैंकों की किस तरह की तैयारी है? क्या इस पर भी चर्चा हुई, खासतौर पर जो पूरे सिस्टम को जीएसटी कंपैटिबल बनाने की बात?
देखिए, आज शाम को रेवेन्यू सेक्रेटरी भी यहाँ पर रहेंगे और बैंक के चेयरपर्सन्स की उनके साथ भी बातचीत होने वाली है कि जो बैंक्स का और जीएसटी का, विशेष रूप से बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री खुद भी जीएसटी के लिए लायबल होगी, तो इसलिए उनकी अपनी रजिस्ट्रेशंस और उनकी जो अपनी सहूलियत उसमें सुविधा है उसको और सरल करने के क्या क्या कदम उठाए जा सकते हैं.
Sir, very clearly lending, how to increase lending in the system was also on the agenda, especially pushing for the home loans, education loans. But there is a serious concern from the industry, from the consumers, that the lending rate, that is the interest rates are quite high. Was there a discussion on it? Were the banks asked to pass on more benefits to the consumers?
Well, if you've followed the banks closely, over the last 6 to 8 months, they've done fairly well in that direction.
Yes,
No
yes.
discussion with RBI on the-
Please let her ask now, last, yes.
Immediately, after Wednesday, have the banks raised any concerns or worries about the lingering effect of demonetization? Because SBI in
No, that's not a subject here. Thank you.